The Raindrop Who Lost His Cloud by Mark Toffel. Illustrations by Sommer Toffel. 2010. Published by Beavers Pond Press. Once upon a time, there was a raindrop named Stuart. Stuart lived in a small white cloud that floated lazily amidst many others in the fall skies. One morning Stuart awoke wondering, "What is my purpose? All we raindrops do is sit around sipping on clouds and watching the world go by. I am so bored." Stuart drifted from raindrop to raindrop in the cloud. "What is my purpose?" he asked each drop, and he heard the same answer over and over again. "Why, to grow up and fall to the lands below and go to the rivers and eventually to the great ocean," they said. That didn't satisfy Stuart. He was afraid he'd fall in a desert, or worse, he might fall into a city street and get sucked down into a dark, smelly sewer. "I want to do more with my life," said Stuart. "I wonder what the raindrops in other clouds want to do when they get big." Stuart's curiosity grew so strong he went out to the edge of his cloud and peered out at the other clouds. They looked so close, but no matter how loud he called out, the other raindrops couldn't hear him. Stuart felt a strong breeze and jumped on. Up, up, up he rose towards another cloud. He looked a bit bigger than his cloud, and the drops were bigger too. They were almost ready to fall. Stuart jumped off the back of the breeze and into the cloud. "What are you going to do when you fall?" Stuart asked his neighboring raindrops. "Why, fall to the lands below and go to the rivers and eventually to the great ocean," they replied one after another. "Oh, well," sighed Stuart. Stuart went back to the edge of the cloud, but he was now all turned around. The clouds all looked the same. The breeze had shifted too. He was hopelessly lost. Stuart cried so hard he was afraid he would evaporate away. "Oh, what shall I do?" he wailed.